I'm making a chicken curry as a home style on the bone chicken. And now I'm adding garlic and ginger paste. Now I'm adding the already ready-made cut chicken. Just to caramelize chicken and garlic to get roasted together, so the full flavor of the garlic and ginger go into the chicken. Now I'm leaving for about 5 minutes. Now the chicken is already been caramelized with the garlic and ginger. Now I'm adding tomato, chopped tomato which has been blended, adding 1 full tablespoon, and also I'm putting some tomato puree which is about 1/4 spoon, and I'm mixing that. I'm also pushing the gas pressure a little bit higher so the water can be reduced quickly. And I'm also adding some salt, which we did put it into the main sauce, a bit of salt. So I'm putting again 1 more small teaspoon. Now I'm adding some turmeric, 1 teaspoon turmeric, cumin, coriander, one and a half teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder, garam masala, 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of paprika. And I'm also putting some fresh grinded coriander, and I'm also doing a pinch of fenugreek. And I'm also putting half teaspoon of paprika powder. Now I am adding the main onion sauce which I made. It's called gravy in Indian restaurants we made. So I'm putting 1, 2 and 3 spoon of that onion made. mixing these spices, to get the raw smell out. So I will just leave it for next 10-15 minutes to do more of heavy cooking. Just checking, you know, how the spice is mixing. Now it has done well on that. 1 tablespoon of yogurt I'm adding it. Cup of the water. And I'm leaving for 15 minutes in a slow heat. The chicken curry is already seems to be is already cooked, and the spices is all mixed together now. And I'm doing the final touch. So I'm putting some coriander, and I'm putting some fresh chili. Well, not fresh chili, it's a dry one. All these spices curry is ready now. Is to just to do a bit more, slightly thicken the sauce. The taste will be now perfect. Just gonna taste, see what the flavor came up. Wow, it's really nice, and I hope you will enjoy that curry. It's perfect flavor for people who are having a slightly hot curry. If you not add any chili, then you'll be okay to have a medium one. And I'm leaving for 5 minutes just to get the coriander flavor down. In Eastern, this curry we call 1960, and this is now just finished, and the taste is coming so well. Wow, really nice, really nice. I hope you can cook that dish at your home.